Thursday. Climbed up this mountain. We're gonna hike along this ridge, and last day for muleys in Kelowna. Region 8 anyway. There's gonna be something dead over here. There's a buck down here. I don't know if it's a good one or not, but and if the fog's coming in, so it's 4-point season. I don't know what it is, so see if you can tell. Zoom up. I just can't tell if it's worth going down there for him or not. He's not moving. Very moved. Anyways, might as well go down and check him out. I don't know how we're gonna get to him without spooking him. Yeah, really quiet. You're not gonna make a noise, right? You're not gonna run after him. Dexter, talking to you, mister. Well, the deer ran off. And the sun came up. So now, just kind of watching this area. It's noon. So we'll head out of here pretty quick. Holy crap. I don't even know if I got that on film. The thing almost ran me over. He's a champ. That deer. Dexter's just freaking out. And he takes me over this edge. And I sit there and I'm calling him names. I'm like, "Okay, man, this is dumb. What are you doing?" And he's just staring. He's just staring. He's done this to me so many times. And he just stares down into this bush. And I'm staring. And I'm like, okay, great. So I just sit down, take a drink, and glass in. Not even 100 yards in front of me, this buck starts walking up to us. Quiet as can be. Put the glasses on him, could tell right away. 4-point. It's November 10th. Last day of 4-point. I just had it, heading back to my truck. And there it is. No tag suit for me. I get stinky muley burgers, and I love those things. Oh, how can I always get the broken up bus? Not a monster. Broken there. Broken here. Would have been a beautiful 4x4. Now he's a 4x2. I can't. Well, her buck. She would have been just beautiful. Perfect symmetrical 4x4, but yeah, he broke 2 tines off. So, he's now a perfectly symmetrical 2x4.
That's a big one.